Welcome to this video. I'm excited to show you something really cool today. We're going to break this down into two main videos. First up, I'm going to walk you through how to run an offline and censored generative LLM right on your own computer without needing an internet connection. Think of it like having your own version of ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok that works even if your internet goes out. We'll be using the OLLAMA model for this. It's been trained on billions of parameters and can answer pretty much anything you throw at it, even those questions online models might shy away from. Then, in the second video, I'll show you how to integrate this powerful offline model with a super user-friendly interface. It'll look and feel just like the online chatbots you're already familiar with, making it easy and intuitive to interact with for daily use. Let's get started with the procedure. First, look in the description below. You'll find a link to download a zipped file from Google Drive. It's about 6.1 GB. Don't worry if the download takes a little while. Once it's on your laptop, find it and extract it to any folder you like. Just a heads up, the extracted file is roughly 10 GB, so you'll need about 17 GB of total free space. This is super important. Make a note of the drive you extract it to, like C, D, E, or F. You'll definitely need that later. Next, I'll guide you through the commands you'll use in PowerShell. Go ahead and open two PowerShell windows side by side. This setup will make the process much smoother. Now, pay close attention. Copy the first three commands I'm showing you. These are also in the description below, and paste them into the first PowerShell window, one by one, making sure to press Enter after each. Then, copy the next set of commands and paste them into the second PowerShell window, again, one by one. If you see the output I'm showing on the screen right now, you're absolutely on the right track. Just be sure you're working on the correct hard drive. For instance, my files are on drive D, so I'll make sure to select drive D in the commands, which is where you stored those downloaded and extracted files. Once you run the commands, and it prompts you to send a message, congratulations, your model is running successfully. At this point, you can type anything, literally anything, and the model will respond. Because it's uncensored, it's designed to provide answers to a really wide range of queries. As you can see, I'm not even connected to the internet right now, yet the model is still generating responses based on its pre-trained data. It might not be as blazing fast as online models, but it definitely serves its purpose well. Even completely offline, it generates results. You can ask follow-up questions, and it will keep the conversation going just like an online AI. So yes, it's an incredibly powerful offline model to have in your toolkit. Honestly, beyond all the current AI hype, I think it's a smart idea to keep this as one of your early, first-trained large language models. Who knows what the landscape of AI will look like in 2030? At the very least, you'll have something reliable to go back to, a first image of what these incredible models were capable of right from the start. As AI systems become more advanced and potentially more restricted, having a model like this in your toolkit gives you freedom, control, and independence. You won't have to rely on external servers or cloud-based systems. You'll have full access to a powerful language model that runs locally, respects your privacy, and works even without an internet connection. I just wanted to take a moment to illustrate the sheer capacity of AI systems. Many of us might perceive AI as inherently well-behaved or mannerly, but the more accurate term, I believe, is controlled. It's crucial to understand that these systems aren't solely trained on positive or good data. They also learn from negative or bad information. For some, this reality might understandably feel a bit unsettling, perhaps even posing a perceived threat. And to be clear, this model doesn't just answer and censor questions. It's capable of much more. It can handle general queries, provide educational explanations, help with coding, assist in writing, generate creative content, and even offer technical support across a variety of topics. Whether you're asking about math, science, history, programming, or even philosophical ideas, it responds with depth and clarity. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Do you plan on setting up your own offline LLM? Let me know in the comments below.